Try to light up this night. Ooh, I thought I saw you on the grave. Ooh, I thought I heard you come running. I thought I heard you on the grave. Oh, but we are lost hearts. Try to hide, but only me. Ito na ba? How could I forget your ways?
Guys, back na ako kasi nililisan ko lang kung yung may-ari ng si Jennifer kasi nag-follow kami ng kanta po kami kay Jennifer.
I need you now, please come back to me. Won't you come back to me?
Sometimes call me your favorite one last time, 'cause I just passing by the word you were all I wanted, you were all I need, 'cause it's all I need. People come and go. Sometimes call me your favorite one last time, 'cause I have swallowed all my pride, accepting the end of you and I. But what if I miss you for the rest of my life? Where do I go from here? Bago boses ko dito, be. Wako. Si Jennifer, naging famous ka po kasi nag-watch po si Jennifer mag-aano po ako. Nag-welcome po ako kasi latest fan ka po namin at dito ko. Sorry po kasi naka-wet ako eh. Aray ko!
The stars try to light up the dark.
So, bye-bye guys. Bye-bye Jan and Birdie. Bye-bye.